EquityZen Pre-IPO investment app pricing explained what you get for your money. EquityZen is a platform that allows accredited investors to buy shares in pre-IPO companies. Many people assume pre-IPO investing is only for billionaires, but EquityZen opens the door with smaller minimum investments. The app is free to download, and browsing deals cost nothing. When investing, EquityZen charges a transaction fee between 2% and 5% depending on the deal. Minimum investments usually start around zero, significantly lower than traditional pre-IPO access. Most people get this wrong by thinking private investing is opaque or complicated. The surprising truth is EquityZen provides comprehensive information, including company financials, valuations, and projected returns. For example, you can analyze a tech startup's revenue growth and exit potential before deciding to invest. Platform also offers portfolio tracking, updates on company progress, and notifications about upcoming liquidity events, so investors can stay informed throughout the investment life cycle. In conclusion, EquityZen delivers access, transparency, and professional tools for pre-IPO investing. Its clear pricing and detailed information make it an approachable choice for accredited investors looking to diversify into private companies.